Dear student, we are going to solve the problem. It is based on pentagonal pyramid. Okay, the pentagonal pyramid of base edge is 35 mm and axis height 65 mm, rest with one of its base corners on HP, so that the axis of the pyramid is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection if the axis of the pyramid is parallel to VP. So this problem is asked in the year November December 2016. It is for 10 marks question. Okay, so let us to draw the top view of pentagonal pyramid. The base edge is 35 mm and axis is 65 mm, and the main point is that base corner is on HP. That means the corner of the pentagonal pyramid is tilt on the HP in next position of the top view. So here I am going to draw the XY line. Right, and X, this is the Y. Sorry, here I am going to write VP by HP. Right, I am going to draw the 35 mm from this side. Right, from this point I am going to make the angle at an angle 72 degree for pentagonal side. So this is the 72 degree, and from this point it is the 72 degree. Right, so from this point I am going to draw the base side of a pentagonal pyramid, that is 35 mm, and similarly from here to mm. Right, so taking this same distance, okay, I am going to take same distance of 35 mm. Right, okay, here I am going to join remaining two lines. So this is the top view of a pentagonal pyramid, and this side is 35 mm. Right, so here I am going to, this is a pentagonal pyramid, hence it is required to draw the joining the line. Okay, so this is the center line of 35, half of the 35 distance, and similarly from here to here half of the 35 distance. So from here to here mark it 1 point, and from this center to this point mark this point. So this is the center point of the pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so draw the from each corner to midpoint. So this line is called as what? Slant edge of the pyramid. Right, so this is the slant edge. Here I am going to mark the point A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so draw the projection of a line from each corner. So this is the center line, and this right. So this is the axis. From this axis the height of the axis height is 65 mm. Right, that means from here to here. So this is the axis height. Right, right. So by joining the line from each point we get the height of the slant edge. Okay, so this is the O1 dash O. O is nothing but a visible point, and O1 is nothing but a invisible point. Right, here I am going to write A dash, and E is invisible point, that is should be written in bracket, and B is visible point, that is B dash, and D is invisible point, that is in bracket D dash, and C dash is visible point, and this is the O dash. Right, so this is the height from here to here. This is the height is 65. Okay, so this is the front view of first stage and top view of first stage. Right, and this corner will be tilt at an angle. Okay, this corner will be tilt an angle, that means the axis will be with the corner will be tilt at an angle 45 degree to HP. So here I am going to take one point. Okay, so this point is will be tilt at an angle 45 degree from this point. So this is the 45 degree. Okay, so this angle is 45 degree. Okay, here the C point will be rest on this HP. So here I am going to measure the distance from C to B. So it is exactly 2 mm. So I am going to draw the line perpendicular to this line. Okay, so it is exact 2 centimeter from here to here. This is a 2 centimeter. By measuring from C to B is 2 centimeter. So from here to here it is 2 centimeter and it should be perpendicular 90 degree, right? So draw the extend line from here to here. Okay, it is because it is necessary to so from center, this center point to C is exactly 29 centimeter, 29 mm. So this point is the exact point. Okay, draw the line perpendicular to this axis line. So draw the extension of this line. Okay, so this angle should be 90 degree. Okay, from C to B. Okay, so C to B, mark the line. Similarly C to A, so this is A. So this point is a C dash. Okay, and this is a B dash, D dash in bracket, and this is A dash. So what is the height from here to here? That is 65. So draw the mark here and join the line from C to O dash. So this is the O dash. So similarly from O dash to A dash, and also join the B dash to O dash. So it's complete front view of a second stage. Okay, and draw the vertical line from each corner. Okay, and similarly draw the horizontal line from each corner. Right, so here we are going to coincide the 2 points from front view to top view. So this is the center O to O. Okay, and point A to A. Okay, so this is the point A, and point B to B. So this is the point B to B, and C to C, D to D. So this is the C and this is the D, and E to, so this is the E bracket. Okay, E to E. Okay, and the center point O to O dash. Right, so when the view from the top view, the line CD and AB are invisible line. Okay, hence it is required to draw the dotted line. Similarly, in the top view, the line DE, EA, AB are visible line. So it is required to draw the full line. So remaining OD line is visible line. OE is also visible line. OA is also visible line, and OB is also visible line, but OC is invisible line. Okay, this is the OC, it is invisible line, hence it is required to draw the line, dash line. Okay, so this is the top view of a second stage. Front view of first stage, front view of second stage, front view, top view of first stage, top view of a second stage. So this problem is a kind of a second stage problem, so it carries 10 marks. Thank you.